Before you create bases or start tracking anything in Airtable, you need to set up your workspace properly. Most people rush this part and regret it later. In this video, I'll show you how to create a workspace in Airtable step by step in 2026 and how to structure it the right way from the start. All right. First, sign in to your Airtable account on desktop. Once you're logged in, you'll land on the home dashboard. This is where all your workspaces and bases live. Before creating anything, let's be clear. A workspace is not a base. A workspace is a container. Inside a workspace, you create bases, and inside bases, you create tables. Think of a workspace like a folder that organizes related projects. Now, to create a workspace, look at the left sidebar and click the option to add or create a workspace. Choose a name that matches the purpose, like personal projects, content planning, or client work. Clear names save time later. Next. Airtable may ask what the workspace is for. You can choose personal, team, or company use. This doesn't lock you in, but it helps Airtable suggest better templates later. All right, now let's talk access. If you're working alone, you can skip this. But for teams, you can invite members to the workspace by email. Each person gets access to all shared bases inside that workspace. Now, permissions matter. You can control who can edit, comment, or only view data. For shared workspaces, always limit edit access to people who really need it. This avoids accidental changes. Once your workspace is ready, you can create your first base inside it. Click Create a Base, then choose Blank or a template. Everything you build here stays organized under this workspace. Finally, when should you create more than one workspace? Use separate workspaces for different areas of your life or business. For example, one for personal projects, one for clients, one for content or tracking. Clean separation keeps things scalable. And that's how to create and organize a workspace in Airtable the right way. If your workspace is structured well, everything you build later becomes easier to manage. Take a minute to plan this part. It pays off long term.